Hi, everyone. Today we will learn about the SeeThinkWonder Strategy. This strategy will help us look closely at various sources and develop greater insights, interpretations, and become curious about what we are looking at. This is a helpful strategy because almost anything can be observed, interpreted, and wondered about. For the purpose of this video, we will use an image from Unit 2, Day 9, the Boston Tea Party lesson, but you can apply this strategy to many images that you are learning about in social studies class. First, I'll open up the Docs Teach link here to use the zoom in features to get a closer look at the image. I'll take some time to zoom in on all aspects of the image before stating what I notice. Here I'm using my trackpad to zoom in and out of the image. After looking at the image for a few minutes, I'll start to record my noticings. For example, in this image, I see two ships near a dock. On the dock, I see people that are standing and raising their hats. And on the ships, I see people who appear to be dressed as Native Americans. The people on the ships are throwing crates overboard. Finally, I also see the title on the bottom of this image that says The Destruction of Tea at Boston Harbor. Now that I've taken the time to set up my SeeThinkWonder chart and also record my noticings under the What I See column, I'm going to think about what we think is going on in the image. For example, based on what we are seeing and noticing, what does it make us think? What kinds of interpretations can we form based on our observations? I want us to think about what else is going on in this image, and what do you see that makes you say that? For example, this image makes me think that the people standing on the docks are supporting the people on the ships. After thinking more about the title of the image, I think that the people are throwing crates of tea into Boston Harbor. I'm also starting to think that this may be a form of protest. This image is also beginning to activate prior knowledge for me, and I'm beginning to make the connections to the tensions between the colonists and Great Britain leading up to the Revolutionary War. Specifically, how upset some colonists were by the implementation of the Tea Act. Now I'll take some time to record my thinking in the What I Think column here. Now that I've taken the time to record my thinking under the What I Think column, I want to ask you what you are wondering about based on what you have seen and been thinking about so far. The goal here is to think about the broader questions that push us beyond our interpretations and to look at issues and ideas raised by the image. For example, I'm wondering, when is this image from? Was the image created close to the event or a long time after? Is the image accurate? I'm wondering how Parliament's acts have led to the actions depicted in this image. I'm wondering, how will the British respond to this event? What will be the consequences for the people involved? Now I'll take the time to record my thinking under the What I Wonder column. Now I have completed the What I See, What I Think, and What I Wonder chart here. As you learn more about the Road to Independence unit, and specifically the Boston Tea Party, you'll be able to build more historical context, and then we can begin to answer some of our wonderings we came up with. That was the SeeThinkWonder strategy. Remember, you can use this strategy for many different sources in social studies class.